Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got a surprise for you, all of you. Today I got the newest iPhone 12 Max Pro. This is the newest iPhone. It is really big and fancy. It's got free cameras. It's better, and it's like the newest iPhone. I can't wait to unbox this. I just never opened an iPhone really before. And also guys, I got this from the Apple website. I ordered this yesterday. So let's take a big sneaky peek. Let's see. It looks beautiful. Oh my god. It's beautiful. But first, noise. So you want to, oh, here it is. It's heavy. It's like a brick. It literally sounds like a brick. Literal brick. But yeah, guys, let's look at the design on the newest iPhone here. It got this cool little background design here. It's like water kind of. Like look, there's water here and that on the front. It even says iPhone on the side too. Because, of course, it's an iPhone. And it says iPhone on the other side, too. Right here. And on the bottom, it has Apple logo, too. Yeah, pretty cool. And then, on the back, it got all the instructions that we don't need. I just want to say that this iPhone is, really big. It feels heavy, too. And it's the size of a brick. And also, guys, just to let you know, here are all my existing iPhones. So, yeah, we're going to compare them and see the difference. And what is different and all the different features. So yeah, let's open it. So let's say we need a that's satisfying. Well, the box feels so smooth and nice. I love it. Let's open it. No. Holy, oh my god. It's a masterpiece, Just look. Hold up, guys. I dropped my charger. But still, guys, holy god. This iPhone is really big. It's so big. Even the cameras are so big here. It's got 3 big cameras. I don't want to even touch it. Just look at it. It's got a beautiful blue color. The camera's just so big. It's bigger than all the cameras here. Small. You can't really see. But still, this just big. I really like it. So guys, this is my favorite part. I love it. So yeah, here is the newest iPhone. Here, I want to see if this iPhone, let's just take a look at this iPhone. Just, I can see myself. Ooh. So yeah, let's see if it works. Oh, I think it needs charge, that's all. But the point is, I don't know how this works. It's got no button. Okay, guys, now it's time to, hold up, wait. Now it's time to, see which one's better and just compare it. So yeah, the first iPhone I got, oh, let's turn around. Oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, first, I love it. But so here, not really the first iPhone, but here I got an iPod Touch. It's basically like an iPod, but it doesn't have the big circle thing here. And it actually does work, but but still, it's really small. It's nice. It's got a cool little baby blue. It's nice, you can text. Oh, hey guys, what are you doing? And it's also pretty cool. But look, this is the camera for the iPhone. It's pretty small though, but to compare this up, I don't think it would make a chance. Okay, this is the first iPhone ever. I'm sorry about that. But so this is the first iPhone ever. It's very chunky. It's even got the original charger. I even have this charger too. And also, guys, just look at this. This is just so small. It's the size of my, it's the size of like this. It's so small and it feels like a brick. I can use it for building. And then next we got iPhone 5, which got a cool ventilator case. So yeah, this iPhone is actually pretty cool. The camera is the same as any other iPhone. But still, it's kind of small though. But let's move on. Now we can move on. Oh, so smooth. So the next iPhone we have is iPhone 6. The iPhone 6 is just the same thing as iPhone 6s Plus, but this phone, the camera is okay. It's the same thing as this, but the cameras are just like the same thing. They just look like this, and this iPhone's okay, yes, but yeah. Next iPhone. Next, we got something that's a little bit better. Here we got oh no, it turned on, but that's okay. Here we got iPhone 6s Plus. This iPhone is actually more big. I like it. It feels like a brick. You can have more space. You can play Mario Kart like at the Nintendo Switch. But the point is, the only problem is that it's not. But still, it's an iPhone 6s Plus. But guys, you know what comes after that one? So yeah, here we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and finally I didn't mess it up, but that's good. But look, this iPhone is just very smooth. I love it. And also guys, it's got 3 cameras. The cameras are really big. Really big. I mean, like, they're not the size of this. I mean, they're like this big. Just saying, like, yeah, it's literally 3 cameras on this. Isn't this amazing? But the only problem is that iPhone 11 only has like 3 cameras. It says 3 cameras too. But still, this iPhone is very smooth. And it actually looks realistic to the commercial too. But look, it's even got this shiny part. So yeah, guys. And also, newer iPhones don't have buttons. Like these ones. Button. You know what I mean, right? But this thing does not have a button, because who needs buttons when you can just use your finger? Of course. So yeah.
Why don't you turn it on? Turn the power on.
I cannot.
Okay.
You're asking.
Maybe the power on the top, T. Yeah, you hold it for a few seconds.
Okay, I think we need to put in charge. So, a good thing is that... Ooh, what is inside? Yeah, we got these goodie. We got a goodie bag. This right here is called a goodie bag. Yeah, what do we... Oh, yeah, I got a free sticker. Yes, look, I got a free sticker. I'll put that right there. And then next we just got this metal part. That is dangerous. And we got never mind. We don't need this. I'm not an old man. I don't need this. I already know what technology is. So yeah, guys. And here is the charger for the phone. Right here. And also just say that the plug for this is like small. So I'm gonna open it. Let's go ahead and open it. God. Hold up. What? What is this? The plug. Look at that plug. It looks so different. How does it even work? Look at it. It's so small. But still, guys, like, I don't even know if I can charge this. The only charger I have is only for like phones like these, but look at this charger though. Like, look. This looks so different. It's not big and fat. It just got no holes, and it just looks like this. This same thing, but still, guys. Here. Okay, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video and you enjoyed to see the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. No, wait, yeah, Pro Max. This thing is a beauty too. Yeah. So yeah, just put it gently. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, share it to your friends. And also, I have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Like and subscribe. So yeah, guys, bye. Box. Bye-bye.